Welcome to Lasa.Africa. Today we're going to show you the process of our BAM 3 LT shelf. Let's go ahead and open the box. For the first step, you require part 1, 2 parts 2, 4 parts 3. The item does come with an Allen key. You can make use of a power drill. Let's assemble. For the next step, you require part 1 and 4 part 3s. Let's assemble. For the next step, you require part 1 and 4 part 3s. Let's assemble. Your next step, you require parts 4 and 5. These are for mounting the item to the wall. You see the brackets here? Please refer to a manual on how to install. Thank you. Thank you for watching the process assembly of our BAM 3 LT shelf. Please go to our website www.lasa.africa to view more of our process assemblies, more of our products. Thank you.